So I came across these colorful Reebok CrossFit style shoes with the blue mesh on the side and with the black laces. And I found them at a back clearance wall at a Reebok outlet store. That's usually where it's easy to find size 14 shoes, all in one location like that. These shoes look like they were a great candidate to have the cotton laces replaced with black Erkies no tie laces. The black color laces would definitely match the black in the shoe, and I knew they were going to look great. The shoes with the no tie stretchy Erkies laces fit the same way they would with the traditional laces, but they're a lot easier and quicker to put on. And I can run and exercise in them the same way I would with regular laces. The best part is how they look. There's no straggly long loops or laces hanging off the sides, and they look good and sleek and clean. No laces flopping around. You can get Erkies laces at Erkies.com, and you can choose between 12 different colors. And right now, if you use the code that they have on the website, you can buy two and you'll get the third set for free.